Okay, let's try my microphone now. I think now it's working. Okay, hello everyone. So here is another tutorial. We already moved a bit from nothing. I already did some models. I didn't have enough the time to finish it, but I already placed, like, I already did some interior side. I already did here some doors and walls. And as you can see now, it's not looks like nothing. So as I said yesterday, today we will switch from just draw the plan. Today we will switch to create our plan. And this is the main topic, and we will start from the ground floor. We already will start to making it like we want on the list. So let's go back to the ground floor, and what I will do the first thing. As you can see here, it's what I'm using right now, the view. This is view, actually this is working view. I don't want to change anything on the working view. What I want to do, I want to make another view without this working things, like this is underlay with, for example, this style of graphic, because I want it change. First, what we will do, we will go to the views, and after that go to the browser organization, and here you will find like type how it's organized right now. I will create the new one organization, and I will call like new organization. So here it is. Let's use this one. Oh, here. Let's use this one, and what we're gonna do now, we will filter, we will grouping it by some parameter. As you can see, here is the parameters how we will grouping it. For now I will say none, and we will say okay. Why I will say none? Because we should create this parameter. So let's go to the we will go to the manage one. Here we will find the shared parameters. We can use actually shared parameters, or we can use the project parameters. Let's use the project parameter, and let's add one. Just hold on, here is my chat. I wanna switch it off because it's really noisy. Give me a second. Okay, done. So we need a new parameter. We will call it organization. Organize, and now we will make it type 1. We will find only the architecture one, and we need to find here the our views. Where's our views? Let's find the views. We should find here the views, and we should find where's the views actually. Yeah, I need my views, and I need my lists. We can do by size. No, I wanna by views actually, because it's topography, views. Where is my views actually? Cannot find it. Okay, I will do it by shared parameters. Sorry, what is that? Hi master, thank you for tutorial. Welcome, always welcome, as I said. So no problem. Everything what I'm doing for you guys. Okay, I not will spend time for the views. So I will use another type of the parameter. Go back to the views, organization. Here is my new organization. Edit one, and we will organize it by the name. Where is the name? Detach? Not by the name. We will by the type. Okay, and okay. And as you can see now, we organize it by the type. Okay, nice. This is what I want. Here is the floor plan, and this is what I want. And I will duplicate it right now. Let's duplicate it without detail. So we want just duplicate the view without any detail. And as you can see, now we can work on this plan. And now immediately I will change the graphic, because now it will be like this. So this is what I want, and I will reduce the shadow, because I don't like the shadow on this graphics. This is working drawings, and it should be more lighter as can you do. Okay, we did it. After that, so we will place here some detail. For example, like we will go to the annotation. We will start from the dimensions, and we will start from the overall dimension. Let's place overall dimension here. Here the another one. Just place it. One bigger one. And now we are already working with our graphic. As you can see, I'm working without any I'm not using now any templates, because once I will finish all the my graphic here, I will create the new template from this view. So once I will finish the graphic here, we will just copy it like a template. Okay, the next thing what I want to see here, for example, this wall, like let's make it like gray style, this wall. Okay, your tutorials are amazing, you are a lot better than oh, thank you so much, this is really pleasure for me. Okay, so what I'm talking about, oh, I'm talking about the walls. What we're gonna do, we will go to the view. Let's go to the view. We will find here, for example, some walls. We can create the filter. For example, we can find some walls. Where is our walls? Here is our walls, and we can change, for example, some settings here. But this is special walls. This is walls, as you can see. It's lower than 1300 millimeter. This is only 1200 millimeter. And this one, it's also 1200 millimeter. So for this wall, I want to create the filter. Let's create the filter, edit a new, and we will create the wall till 1200 millimeters. So, and now we should choose here the wall. We should say this wall, the height. Thank you, guys. Wall height, where is the height? Let's find this parameter here. We should find this parameter here. Wall height, where is that? Where is that? We don't have here the parameter. Nice. This is one big problem what we get. We don't have any height here, as you can see, but we need this parameter to create the filter. So this is first time when we will use Dynamo. I will say just OK, and we will create now Dynamo script. This is fast one, so let's go to the manage Dynamo. Till it's opening, I will create the new parameter right now for the wall. This wall will be the parameter, will be height. Just give a second for the Dynamo. Dynamo is starting just now, and you will see how you can use Dynamo in real situation. So now we should add the one more parameter. Let's add parameter, and this will be height, and this will be type 1. Yes, it will be instance wall. This will be yes, this will be length. Let's say OK. Let's say OK. And now each wall have some parameter, as you can see, the height, as you can see here, because as the standard parameter it doesn't have it. Okay, this is nice, because now we're going to Dynamo, create the new parameter, select. Let's go to the selection, and let's go here. We want to select all element by category and all element categories. No, yeah, like this. All category what I want all the walls. Where's the walls? It's here. Let's connect walls to the wall. And as you can see, here is all our walls. And now I want to get the parameter here. I want to get parameter set parameter. Set parameter. Let's connect this element to here. And now we need first, and also we need the get parameter. Get parameter. And here the get parameter. So let's connect also here. We need the name. Height here, and let's get the parameter. First second, I need the height, and we need this parameter. we need, where's the wall? Let's go inside to the wall, and here's the walls, everything for the walls. By curve and height, no, I don't need it. I need only dimension. I need only dimension from the wall. So wall view offset, no. This will be height, and what the parameter we have also for the wall. As you can see, it doesn't have any parameter. Let's call it the height of this parameter. We have only unconstrained height, so we can use this actually parameter. Let's copy it and unconnected height on. Let's connect it, and we get some parameters here, as you can see, and we get all the height from all our walls, as you can see. So we need our walls only the less than 1200. So we need filter it. To filter it, so what we're gonna do? We need the mask. First we need the mask. Here is our mask, as you can see. And let's connect. Now we need connect only 1200, as I said. So to do that, we need equal. Equal. We will write, this is, no, it's not equal, it should be less. Less, 1200, 300, I said. Let's connect it one and the second. And as you can see, we get false, true, false, true. So we get filter, finally. Let's connect our filter to here and our list to here. And here we get some wrong, because this is Boolean operation. Oh, because this is Boolean operation, yes. This is actually the mask, false, true, false, true. And here we get our numbers of elements. So this is everything right. So our elements to the list, and we get warning list Boolean operation failed. Why it's failed? It was something failed. Why it's failed? We have all the walls here, all elements going to this one, because I need the height transferring to the parameter. Actually, we can filter inside in Revit. So how we can do that? We have already the number, and let's connect one number to the value. Done. So the parameters storage, it's not the string. Okay, this is now my mistake. Let's go back to the manage. Here we'll find the shared parameter, not shared parameters, project parameters, and we will modify this one. Actually, I cannot already modify. I will delete it and I will create a new one. Let's remove it and let's add a new one. Here it is, and now we should change it to the text. So it's my mistake. I did this mistake. Wall. Let's say okay. Let's say okay. And now here should be everything alright. No, it should be everything alright. Let's say I'll say save it, and I will redo it again. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I need this height to filter everything. So again, parameter storage is not type. You said you need the text, now you need the number. What the hell with you? Okay, I will do the number. Something strange. Okay, it will be number, no problem. Now it's now parameter should be string. String to number. Okay. String to number. I don't know what's going on. This is number actually. Number to string. Number to number. String to number to string, sorry. Number to it's really strange. I not understand actually what's going on. Oh, here the float number. Okay, I got it. Shit, we have the float numbers, as you can see. So that's the problem. And here we have the 0. I got it. What the problem? So it's not will save like this, because this not will approved by Revit, so we should write the bigger script than I think. Okay, I will do it without the without filter, so it's okay. I'm not lazy to do that without the filter. It's okay. Over graphic by elements, and this one will be pattern solid fill. I wanna do it gray, and it will be gray. Now I can understand this is not cutting. Let's do the same thing here. Elements and solid fill, gray, and it will be gray. Okay, we did it. Now I wanna work with my floor, because my floor it's not, I not understand is it my floor or no. I should change it to, I'll change it by this one, and we will make it, actually I wanna make it less, like this, less gray color. And now we can see this is our site actually. So what's going on here? Now here we will make the decking, because here it's actually will be decking. We can use the material for that, but I not will use any material for now. It's not about the material. So this is pattern will be, where is the pattern? I don't have the pattern what I want, and I will create it. So let's create the pattern. Somewhere I have the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. Where's my 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔? I don't have the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔 here. I should install it. To create, if you want to create, for example, the pattern, you should use the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. This is really easiest way to create your own pattern. If you don't have the 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔, so it will be really hard for you, really. So the plastic and the wood, I don't have the decking here, so without the decking it will be hard. Okay, anyway, this will be also this color, and I will reduce it more. Now much better, and now I will change my view to the coarse. No, this is not what I want, and I want to create this one. All these walls I want to make it black. So for that one I will use of course now the walls. Here the section, where is the section, pattern, override, and I will use the black color, but actually not totally black, like something like that. As you can see, we did it, but I did mistake. This is pattern surface, it's not cut, sorry. It's my mistake. Clear. We need cut. I said cut and I used surface, so something wrong already with me. Okay. Now, yeah, this is what I want. Okay, and I don't want to see any graphics on these staircases too. So we can use actually staircase, or you can select our staircase. This is already up to you. By element, and I wanna see like a white color without anything. Nice. So the next thing, I will go to the annotation. Here I will find the stair path, and I will show where is my pathway going. And now we need hide this one, because I don't wanna see what's going on. What's going on this side. I wanna finish only on this side. Okay, so the construction, landing type, it's okay. I need only the graphic. Single line, yes, single line, zigzag, okay, and everything alright here. But I wanna see dashboard, If you want to see dashboard, you should go to the dash, you should go to the stairs, and you should say you want to see the cut marks, for example, and everything what means above. I don't want to see it. Just unswitch it, and you will not see what's going on above. And here is your, as you can see, the plan. As you can see, plan becoming more clear and clear without any problem. Let's place our first cutting here. Will be our first cut, the section. Let's change the direction, and will be our first section view. I want to see only this part, like this, but my section will be a bit extended. Like this here, and this one here. Now I don't need any these lines. As you can see, I have here the supporting lines. It's like reference planes, but no worries about that. It not will print at all, so you can leave it. Or if you don't want to see on the planet, so as you can see, this is reference planes. You can go to the visibility graphics, and you can just hide it. So let's find the lines. Lines is 3D objects, and find here the reference planes. Reference planes, where is that? Reference planes? Reference lines, actually, let's call it reference lines. Room separator. Thick, wide lines, it's okay. Pattern lines, it's okay. Isolation, it's everything alright. So where's the reference lines? Reference lines. Cannot see actually reference lines. Ref. Annotation. Reference lines. It's here. Reference lines and planes. Done. We cannot see it now. Now it's becoming again alright. So, and after that you can specificate everything what you want. For example, you want to specificate your door, you can specificate it if you want. But make sure this is you checking your door. You want to specificate your column, you want to specificate, for example, your window, you can do that. But now, as you can see, the tag, it's not understand what you want to get from this, for example, from this door. It's not understand it. So actually this is huge topic. We should now create, for example, shared parameters. We should go to the family. We should create this parameter. We should transfer it to the tag. It's really taking the time for that. So if you are interested in it, maybe we will do the tutorial later on, not today, because it's really, I should spend only 1 hour to just say to you how it's working. It's really working worse, but once you will do that, you don't need do manually anything. So it's really helping. Now we can put some dimensions. Don't put dimensions everywhere, just put dimensions somewhere. You know, like some students doing, they really like place the dimensions everywhere. As you can see, here is the number what I didn't like at all. Let's change it. 275. Much better. So many questions. Okay, so and let's place some dimensions here. Dimension here. And one more dimension here. Now we can see what's going on here. Of course, you should place it on the exterior side. If your line, it's not, as you can see, my line, it's not parallel on this line, you cannot place your dimension. You should find some dot like this, and after that you will place it. On this side you will find the dot always. So for example, if I want to measure from this side to this side, I cannot do, because I want to find here the dots in this intersection with the parallel side, only like this. So you cannot use a different direction on the other side and the other side, so it's not possible. Be careful with that, okay? This is really main topic when you will place dimensions. And put some main dimensions. Because here we already have the width of this column, here no need place it. You can place, for example, this dimension and this dimension. Done. And maybe, no, here also no need, because you have already 700 here, and you can place some extra dimension here. So here you don't need to put anything. Like extra dimension, you can say how big is here the entrance and this staircase. And of course, from this staircase to this side. I don't like this one. So if you get something like that, you have the tricky way. You can select it, you can go to the edit type. Don't do it, but if you want, you can do it. Yeah, I will. If you have and you don't want to change, for example, dimension, you can do this thing, but don't do it like everywhere, okay? And here you will go, and what you will do, the units format, and you wanna, no, not here, yeah, here actually, millimeters, decimal places, the symbol, and I wanna use, for example, custom number 5, rounding to the 5. Done. Yes, it's tricky way, but 1 millimeter it's doesn't make the big problem, but it's okay sometimes. But don't do it everywhere. If you will do it everywhere, it means like you are still in AutoCAD. So, but we are just trying to leave the AutoCAD drawing, so don't do it, okay? Show dimension between two circular walls. You mean between these two walls? Yeah, it's possible actually. We have all dimensions, so guys, this is already like architecture work. You can, I think, if you are studying school or if you are an architect, you know all these things. So I don't think so I need to say how it's working. I think you will do it without me. Anyway, we did the graphics, as you can see, and I wanted the same graphics, for example, on the second floor. Before we will go to the second floor, what I will do? For example, first I wanna, for example, work with my walls, as you can see here, because now even my glass inside on the walls, it's black. I don't like it. So what we're gonna do? We want to change our glazed pattern here. We can do it manually if you want, or we will find, for example, this is system panel. So let's go to the system panel. We need to find the panels, and we need to change the color of these panels. So curtain wall panels, it's here, and this is cutted, right? And here over right, and this one will be the blue one. Let's make it blue like this. And now you can see it's blue. Now easily understand where is our where we have, for example, our window. Now done with graphic. Let's go back to the view template, but we will just say right click here and create, where is that? Create a view template from view. And we will say this is final drawing. Now we have the final drawing here, and as you can see, now we can apply final drawing also here. Let's copy the level 1. I will duplicate it without any graphics. As you can see, here is our level. We don't like it, right? And now what we're gonna do? Now we will just apply our final drawing view, and we get now normal view, as you can see. So once you will change something, you will, if you will place it inside to the view template, after that you can place it everywhere without any big problem, as you can see here, for example. Okay, so for example, some additional things. Let's do that thing. For example, you have situation like you want to make dash line, but you don't have a time to change, for example, family. Maybe you have only one door, with this situation when you want to place here the dash line. Of course, you can go to the family, you can change the line, you can do some additional things there, but you want to place it only on one view and only one object. This is a lot of work to change it. You can go, for example, to the line work, just hold on this, and here you will find, for example, dash line. Where is the dash lines? Where is I think it's hidden lines. I not remember how it's called on the standard template. It's dash lines, I think, or overhead. Let's see. Yeah, overhead. And as you can see, you can change any line on additional thing, like this. Maybe this door some special. And this we have again the same situation with the handle, as you can see. Our railing, we can see here is dash lines with the railing. You can go to the visibility graphics, but what you can find now, everything blocked, because we are using the view template. You should go to the view template, and now you should change everything inside in view template, only like this. And here you should find the railings here, and as you can see, it's again above. I don't want to see everything what's above. Now you cannot see what's going on there. But some additional things, like for example stair path, you should do manually on each view, like I'm doing right now. So 1 and 2, and you get the, for example, this one situation. We have 2 floors. Yeah, we did it, we know that thing. But as you can see, first I not understand why my wall not going till this wall. It's really strange. Let me, I will change it, because it's not like this. First I will change it, sorry guys, few seconds. Okay, now it's better. But line is still here, even if you will try to, for example, join this one, it's gone, but sometimes it's not going. But if it's not gone, so what you're gonna do? You will change by this line. You will just use the invisible line, and 1 and 2, and you cannot see this line. But these 2 floors, it's separated. Yeah, of course you can join it, but now it's floors join it, but without this problem. For example, we have here, for example, situation, right? You can do the same thing here if you want. So do whenever you want it, but be careful with all these dash lines, okay? Because sometimes the people don't like it. For example, have another problem. You have here the section. By some standards, like for example UK standards, the Russian standards, and I think the Singaporean standards, your line shouldn't be go inside to your drawing. How come you can do that? Just split it and change it. So this is really easy. Split it and change it. And now, as you can see, it's not going inside to your drawing. Now you can place it a bit more closer, like this, and now it's working. The number will be only after you will place this drawing on the list. So you should create the list. For example, here is your sheets, as you can see. Once you will place the level 1 on the sheet, if you will go back, it's not because this is section, sorry, this is my mistake. Let's go back. Where is my section? Here is my section. No, it's not my section, big building sections. Let's go back to our floor, and as you can see, here is the number. This number showing where this section exactly. So you're not spending the time to understand where is that, you're just going straight away to this section, and that's it. The one thing, as you can see, this is all the windows is blue inside, right? Here is the blue, here is the blue, but this one not. What's the problem? Because this family, actually this is window, and window have some special things like glazing, like a glass. So you can change it, you can try to change it by a view template, but I don't think so you will do that. Because if you will go inside to the window, here the glass, but don't have the cutting. As you can see, the cut pattern, you cannot change it. So this is the problem. You should go to the inside to the material and you should change it there, or you should create some special material inside of that and export it inside to the Revit, only like this. So this is only up to you. Again, as I said, oh my gosh, what's going on here? Oh, sorry, I didn't see this thing. It should be here, go here, and this wall should be go till here. And now we get this situation again. Where is my modify? Where is my connection? I said this connection. Let's change it. This one. And now everything alright, as you can see. I will join it. And as you can see, here is the gain line. I don't like it. You can do the same thing, invisible lines, but you will get white line. So this happens when you're trying to hide the lines inside in some object. If you will do that inside in some object, you will get the white line, because this is hiding everything under this line. Okay, so we did that. Actually, we can change the railing color here if you want, or as you remember, I did all my stairs I did with the other graphics. I did it white color. So let's change it, and I wanna see it's the white color. Oh, why I didn't select this one? And this one will be also the white color. Here it is. So we did it. Now of course we can go to the list and we can already place our ground floor. Our ground floor is here. As you can see, actually the section box, it's really big. I don't like it. Let's see our crop box, and let's change the size of this crop box, because actually dimension of my building, it's a bit smaller than I showing you, like this. Double click, and as you can see, we get that one here. No title. I said no title. Okay, this is first level. If you don't want to see this is crop box, just crop visible on switch, and you not will see it. And the same thing with this level. Again, select it. You want to see the crop box, and go inside and change the crop box, like this. Okay, and now you want to see this one, and I don't want to see the title. Done, and you can place it anywhere. So as you can see now, our plans are becoming better and better. Just use this method, and I don't think so you will find any problem with that. Just I'm using the arrow keys right now to place my drawings on the same side. Okay, we did it. So the same thing you will do with the other level, but we will continue now with the section view. I will copy the section view, duplicate. For the section view, we can use the same tricky way. What I mean, we can use the same template if you want. For example, we will use our template, all the templates, and we wanna find here the final drawing. We get it. But some of them, as you can see, it's still not like I want. For example, all the walls should be on this view white color. I want it. I don't know. I want it. So this template is already not will be working for that. I will just duplicate this view template. Let's duplicate it, and we will call it final section. And now I will go to the inside, and here I will find the walls. Here's my walls, and I will say the surface pattern should be white color. Not exactly white color, we will do some grayscale like this. And let's say okay. And as you can see, now it's white. The other thing, this is depth of field. Depth of field you will find here inside the graphic. And here you will find depth sync. Let's switch it on, let's apply it, And now, without any settings, we get a really nice result. Yes, you can play around with that. For example, limit, and now it's more better. Now you can see everything, but if you will do without the limit, you will get situation, like this, like you can see the depth of field, and this is not bad, because when you just making your section, you want to see how deep, for example, this door. Now you can see it's a bit far. So, and now you can of course go to the annotation and place spot some elevation, some extra elevation views. For example, you wanna place it. Where is this deck? And as you can see, I did mistake. You can see it here. I will use the align. Now everything right. And now here the level same as the floor. I don't need to place it anything. But this one I should place something, because we should understand where is this wall. Floor, I mean. And for example, this one too. Just few seconds and we already get the nice rendering, nice view for example, to place something. You can create your own family, for example, with people, and you can place some people here, like architects really like to do. For example, placing some flattened people. You can create the family just with the lines only, and it will be really pretty cool. It will be looks like really amazing, so you can do that. So let's say you get some situation like, for example, you want to see something. I don't know why. I don't have any reason. For example, I don't want to see this part, but I don't want to use this crop view. So how I can do that? I can use the region one and masking region, of course, and you will just mask some region, and you cannot see it right now. Of course, you can change the lines. For example, select these lines and say this is lines invisible lines. And now you cannot see anything on this part. You can place it anywhere where you want, and you not will see it. I don't know for what you need it. Maybe you want to hide some part. Maybe your building it's really hard, and you have some specific detail, and you don't want to show it. I don't know for what, but maybe you don't want to show it on the section. You can use this method. It will be hide everything where you will place it, or it will be, for example, we have the site here like this, and you want to fill it, so use the fillets, and you can fill it. Don't use it a lot, because this is also not about the beam, but anyway, if you want to, if you should make some right drawings, for example, to your client, maybe it's standard in your country, so you doesn't have any choices, and of course you will use on your view some annotation things. So this is the rules. You not will run from it. So I don't want to see the visible cropping view, and here is my views, and I will change my direction of that. Oh, I not will change, because building is not finished. Actually, our building also have here some additional things. I didn't finish it. I will finish it later on. I will do it offline. And I will show you the result. So here is the big side of this building. So I will do it later on. So as you can see, by these small things, annotation small things, you can create really nice drawings. And of course, you can print it. So let's print some drawing. Let's go to the annotation view, and how you can print it actually. Most of you using the file, and after that they going to the print, after that they using the PDF and printing from this site. But I really recommend you go to the D-Roots, so you will find the pro sheets. It's really amazing thing. Just few click and you will get any drawings what you want. Here you just choose the list which you wanna print. After that, use the format. I wanna make it center. I wanna I wanna make it zoom on the 100%. And after that, I wanna get the PDF, and I wanna create it. Where I wanna place it? I wanna place it to the White House. Okay, and after that, just say select the wall, your list, and say create. Just hold on and you will get your drawing. I will show you. Where is the drawing? Here is the drawing. Open the drawing. Okay, and as you can see, here is the drawing. Without any big problem and with nice graphic. I did it raster. It's not the vector one, and that's why when we making it closely and it looks like dirty. That's why it's raster. So by default you can use you can print the raster, you can print the vector. If you go back here, you will see the vector or raster. So this is only up to you. So like I spent 40 minutes and now you know how to make your graphics. Now you know how to create. For example, this is my working view. I will show you again. Here is this my working view. This is level 1. And this is level 1, this is already not working view, this is a view for the print. And I didn't spend a lot of the time to get this view. Do it. By the way, this project I will share the later on, and you can continue with this work. So this will be totally free, no worries about that. Okay guys, today it's a short tutorial because next tutorial I will make the offline. I not will make the stream tomorrow and after tomorrow. After tomorrow I will post the video with this. Just hold on. After tomorrow I'll just post the video with this huge tutorial, like how you can finish it, how you can make in, for example, how you can export in different formats, how you can finish your graphics, and many other things. On the weekends we will get another stream, and there we will talk mostly about the graphics and other things. For today finish. So this is short tutorial because I have a lot of more work from my main job, and that's why I'm a bit rushing. If you have questions, you have like 2 minutes to answer to asking me something, and after that I will finish it. Okay, let's do that. Oh, so many questions there. So don't have any questions. I will think. Okay, see you guys next time. See you soon. Don't be shy. If you have some questions, ask me. No worries about that. And see you soon then.